What's up guys, today I'll show you how to use Godly Rimuru the easy and efficient way in anime Last Stand. A lot of players think Rimuru is only good for infinite mode, but that's not completely true. Rimuru actually becomes strong in long modes like raids, boss rush, and tournaments, especially when stages go past wave 30. The key thing to understand is this: you don't need one of every element on your team. Once you place Rimuru, all you need is one extra unit to help him copy elements. Use Rimuru's skills to give that unit different elements like water, light, fire, and dark. After that, go into skill crafting and unlock Rimuru's abilities faster than usual. You can do this before wave 45, which makes Rimuru fully powered way earlier than most people expect. So yeah, Rimuru isn't bad at all, he's just misunderstood. Use this method and he shines in almost every big game mode. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.